student of Xavier College of Hotel Management, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Welcome to the lockdown recipe contest. So today I am trying one of our food production practicals recipe, that is chicken tikka. In this lockdown we are missing our street foods very badly, so why don't we try one of them at home? So before starting, let me sanitize my hands very properly because safety comes first. So friends, let us have a look at our ingredients. Chicken 200 grams, tomatoes deseeded and diced, onion diced, capsicum diced, ginger garlic paste, curd 1 cup, salt, tomato puree, amchur powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, roasted besan, kasuri methi. Let us start making. First we will take ghee, then we will add some red chili powder, some amchur powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, some garam masala, half cup roasted besan, 1 cup curd, tablespoon ginger garlic paste, some kasuri methi crust, and we'll have to give it a good mix. Now the mixture is ready. We will add the chicken pieces. The diced tomatoes, the onion diced, and the capsicum. Mix the chicken pieces and the vegetables properly into the marinade. We will add some live charcoal. And ghee, and cover it for 5 minutes. Now we will remove the charcoal and leave it for 30 minutes and then marinate it. So we are done for 30 minutes. We will remove the cover. Use the chicken pieces in this square. We'll heat the pan. Brush some butter on the pan. We'll keep the heat in sim so that the chicken cooks properly. Now we will place the chicken pieces in this. Here. Now we'll take this in a place. So here the chicken tikka is ready. So guys, this this was my recipe. If you guys liked my video, please hit the like button and please do share the video and show some love guys. Thank you all.